it's Cooking Girls here, and today we're gonna cook mashed potato. And you need milk, salt, butter, water, and 4 or 5 potatoes. The first step is to first wash your potatoes and get a knife and then take all the skin. And the second step is you need to pour the water into the pan until it's almost full. And then put all the potatoes in. The third step is you need to turn on the hob and then wait until the water starts evaporating. When the water starts to boil, you need to change the hotness on the hob and then add the salt. Make sure to check if the potatoes are soft or not. If they're soft, you can turn off the hob. When the potatoes are soft and you turn off the hob, you need to take out all the water and then get something to smash the potatoes. And smash the potatoes so there is no little balls. And when all the potatoes are smashed, you need to get the milk and then pour half a mug of milk and then heat it up in the microwave. When the milk is not cold, you need to pour it into the mashed potato. But don't forget to add the butter too. After you add the butter, you need to mix it again until it's equal. The mashed potato is now done, and now you can eat it. Like and subscribe. Bye.